Welcome back to Bike Max, the home of everything on two wheels. If you love motorcycles, speed, and legendary engineering, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now, let's talk about something truly special, the return of an icon. The 2025 Harley-Davidson XR750 is here and it's better than ever. Let's dive in. The Harley-Davidson XR750 isn't just a motorcycle. It's a piece of history. First introduced in 1970 as a dirt track racing beast, the XR750 dominated the American flat track series for decades, with legendary riders like Evil Knievel making it famous. This machine was a symbol of raw power, agility, and Harley's rebellious spirit. Now in 2025, Harley-Davidson has brought it back with a modern twist while staying true to its roots. Performance and engine. Let's talk about what makes the 2025 XR750 an absolute beast. At its heart is a 750cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine, inspired by Harley's Revolution Max platform, but tuned specifically for flat track and street performance. Producing around 90 horsepower and 70 lb-ft of torque, this engine delivers smooth power delivery while maintaining that aggressive XR750 attitude. Unlike the old air-cooled versions, the new XR750 benefits from advanced cooling, reducing overheating issues while maintaining that legendary V-twin growl. The throttle response is instant, making it an absolute joy whether you're ripping around a track or carving up the streets. Of course, power is nothing without control. The 2025 XR750 features a lightweight steel trellis frame that enhances rigidity while keeping the weight down. The suspension setup includes fully adjustable Showa inverted forks at the front and premium Erlins twin shocks at the rear, ensuring maximum stability in high-speed turns and hard braking scenarios. Speaking of braking, Harley-Davidson has upgraded the XR750 with a modern Brembo braking system. Dual front disc brakes with radial-mounted calipers and a single rear disc provide top-notch stopping power. Whether you're sliding into a corner on the track or making a quick stop in city traffic, you can trust this bike to keep you in control. Harley didn't just bring back the XR750, they enhanced it with modern tech. You get a state-of-the-art digital TFT display that gives you real-time performance data, Bluetooth connectivity, navigation, and even a lap timer for those who want to push it on the track. Riding modes are another major upgrade. The 2025 XR750 offers three distinct modes: street, sport, and track, each adjusting throttle response, traction control, and ABS settings to match your riding style. There's even an optional wheelie control mode, if you want to fine-tune just how much front wheel lift you get when you crack open the throttle. So, what does it feel like to ride? Well, the 2025 XR750 is an adrenaline rush on two wheels. The low weight, combined with that torquey V-twin, makes for explosive acceleration. The handling is precise, and the bike feels incredibly stable, whether you're leaning into a tight turn or blasting down a straightaway. The ergonomics have also been refined. It's got a comfortable yet aggressive riding position, with mid-mounted foot pegs and a wide flat track-style handlebar that gives you perfect control. Unlike its predecessors, this XR750 is not just for the track, it's street legal, making it a true everyday performance machine. Now, who is this bike really for? If you're a fan of Harley-Davidson's racing heritage, this is a dream come true. It's for riders who want a mix of vintage style and modern performance. Whether you're a weekend warrior looking for a thrilling ride or a serious track enthusiast, the XR750 delivers. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 XR750 is expected to start at around $14,999, and which places it competitively in the high-performance flat tracker segment. There will be a limited production run for the special edition models, so if you want one, you'll need to act fast. Dealerships are expected to start deliveries in early fall 2025 and pre-orders are already open. Harley-Davidson has done something truly special with the 2025 XR750. They've managed to bring back an icon while integrating modern performance, technology, and reliability. It's a tribute to the past and a bold step into the future. Whether you're looking for a thrill ride or a piece of motorcycle history, this bike delivers. What do you think about the 2025 Harley-Davidson XR750? Is this the ultimate flat track-inspired machine, or are there other bikes that catch your eye? Let us know in the comments below. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest motorcycle reviews and updates. We've got more exciting content coming up, so stay tuned, ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.